Oh, right there. No.
Here's the pendulum from my mom's clock. I'm just looking for a name tag.
Oh. Oh, honey.
But we fed all the animals here. You know,
Just anything, you know, just looking for whatever. Just to have closure, I guess, too. You know, we've been in this house for 23 years, so there's a lot of memories. But I didn't like my bathroom. But I'm going to get a new one.
My sister's.
This big flame of fire was right back here, and you know, we jammed, and my husband's truck was here. We just got back from the lake, and he just had time to jump in the truck, and we had to get out of here. I mean, it was awful. It was a nightmare.
our home. There's a body. There's a body to that little doll. I found an arm and a leg. Looks like melted glass. That's all that's left. God. Sorry, Mom. Again, we need, there is probably... Oh, no, my husband and I will be back. We'll level it and we'll rebuild. I mean, this is our home. We're not going to go anywhere.